Hello and welcome to this video course, Giveaway CPA. Now in Giveaway CPA, we're going to be discussing how you can use the principles of CPA marketing in order to generate additional profits to those that you're already generating using this method. And like most CPA strategies, this one is going to be dependent on your acceptance into one particular network. And that network is going to be a very special network because of the nature of the leads that the company is trying to capture. In many cases, the internet marketers who are watching this course or listening to the audios will already have a list suitable for this network. And the reason is because the network or the method is dependent upon you being able to capture entrepreneur leads, which you probably already have as an internet marketer. And because of that, driving traffic is going to be different, yet easier than starting to learn a non-business related niche such as weight loss or dating or health related issues. This is a network that you can use and start with something that you probably, as a marketer, you already have. And here's what's even better about this network. You will not be asking individuals to purchase anything. You'll be asking them to sign up for tools that are already in their best interest. And this is the nature of CPA, getting people to enter their name and email address or giving up their contact information. The company who's generating the leads accepting that lead and then being willing to pay you because you're really giving them a qualified lead. And so this is CPA at its best, and still this particular network is going to make it special because you're going to be able to over and over again give tools to entrepreneurs, yet at the same time you'll be able to generate commissions every time they sign up for a tool. So let's get into Giveaway CPA in the next video.